How do we do the charts? I want to do a chart for the names of the students and these three marks. So I'm going to select with the header these three and these three marks. Go to insert, I have charts. As I told you, we're going to start with the column charts, 2D and 3D. I'm using here to Office 2019. It's not like 2007, it's a bit different. And also we're going to go for the pie function, pie chart, sorry. Now for this column, just do it like this, and I can see that Layla has 3 marks, Yasser, Marwan, Ahmed. I need the title, and I also need to do some legends, access title, chart title, data label, data table. All these I gave you legend grid lines from here. It's a bit different in this office. That's why I'm not going to explain a lot, because maybe you're going to be confused. And about the pie chart, you need to select only 2 columns like this with the header. Go to insert, go to pie, and I can see that I have a pie chart like this one. This is very easy, and I'm gonna share this on Moodle, and I'm gonna open a forum for discussion. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on Moodle, only on Moodle, to solve your issues or problems, or maybe you didn't understand, so I'm gonna explain it for you later. Thanks very much, and have a nice holiday.
Okay, now we can also insert another chart, which is the line chart. Again, we're going to select the name as a legend, midterm 35, quiz 15, final is out of 50, and we need the sum as well. The sum is the total for these exam marks or exam grades. After selecting the header with all its data, we're going to go to inserts, same as how we did in the column chart, and we did it in the pie chart as well. Now here we're going to go to the other one, which is the line chart. Click on the line chart, and we also have here a line, stacked line, same as the column, 100% stacked line, all these stacked line with marks, okay, and stacked line with marks. Sorry, this is a line with markers, stacked line, and we have 100% as well with stacked line. We also have the 3D line. You can see here a 2D area. We're not going to talk about these types now. We're going to talk about the line and the line with markers, and we're also going to talk about the 3D line. So select the first one, the line, like this. We're going to see here the legends, which are the students' names, and each color, let's say Yasser or Marwan or Ahmed. Ahmed is yellow, so this is the curve or the line of Ahmed for the midterm, quiz, final, and the sum. From here we can see that the best students, or the students with the highest mark, is Yasser, according to this chart. Now we also can add the chart title from here, or we can go for plus and do all these elements that we need. Okay, we have error bars, we have data table, we have data labels as well, access titles, horizontal, vertical. We can remove the grid lines, or we can take it back again. The legends are moved as well, or maybe changed in place. Left, right, top. Trend lines, we also have a trend line. Let's select this one. This is a trend line. Up, down bars, all these elements are from here. Same as other charts. We can change chart type, or we can go for format and shape, fill, and do all the colors that we want from here. Now This chart is not complete because I need a chart title. I need a vertical axis title for this one, and I also need data label. I prefer it better, but we're gonna go here for markers, which is almost like data labels but without numbers. So if I want to do a chart, a line chart with markers, I'm not going to start again, but I'm going to go to change chart type. We can see here all the types here. We're going to select line, and I can see that I have line with markers. This is line with markers. Click on it and press OK. Now we can see line with markers. Markers mean that this is the midterm. I'm going to put a marker. This is the quiz. I'm going to do a marker here. We can also add data labels here. It's going to be exactly on the markers. The 3D is the same. Change type. We're going to go for 3D. Click on it, and this is the 3D. But I prefer for more clear and understandable chart is the line. I think it's better, or maybe the line with markers. Now, what do we have else here? This is the line that we're gonna do. I just want to show you something in the column. Maybe I forget it. I don't remember. Insert column. Let's make it 2D at the first. Now sometimes I need to change the row and the column. What does that mean? That means that I want to make midterm, quiz, final, sum as a legend and vice versa. So how do I do this without deleting, without formatting my chart or selecting other cells? We're going to go to design. We can see switch row to column. If I switch row to column, it's going to be like this, and I can see that Ahmed in the midterm has, let's add a data label, it's better, has 9 out of what? Out of 15, and 5, 15, and the total is 29. As we remember, as I said, this one is a dynamic chart. Just change numbers from the table. Everything will be changed. Let's give Ahmed 40, and we can see that Ahmed has been increased. Let's give Yasser here 35, and we can see that Yasser has been increased. This is all the basic things in Excel chart 2019. Okay, see you in another video, and goodbye.